Hashtag the low carbohydrate diet. In summary, the existence of a low-carb diet has been recorded throughout history. Previously, a low-fat diet was considered the most direct and effective tool for losing weight or maintaining weight. Fats contain most of the taste of a food. Low-fat diets have forced people to eat low-fat and high-sugar foods. In fact, all low-fat processed foods contain added sugar. These sugars contribute to weight gain because sugar is the first element that the body converts to fat. This fat is stored as energy for future use. In addition to sugar, carbohydrates are what the body uses to burn energy. With a minimum of carbohydrates, the body is forced to convert fat into energy. This is essentially the philosophy of a low-carbohydrate diet: eat fats and minimize carbohydrates to reduce, eliminate, or reverse weight gain. South Beach, Atkins, and Zone are some examples of low-carb diet methods. These low-carbohydrate diet methods effectively lower insulin levels in the body. This forces the body to use fat for energy. Insulin is the hormone that tells the body to store fat. In addition, high-carbohydrate diets stimulate eating, which in turn stimulates eating even more. In the United States, the propensity and belief in a low-fat and high-carbohydrate diet has led to an increase in obesity, morbid obesity, and cardiovascular disease. In contrast, the French diet, which is rich in fats and carbohydrates, has led to fewer cases of these diseases. The Mediterranean diet is a good example of a low-carb diet that is low in carbohydrates and high in fat. Since the fats are not significantly reduced, the food flavors are retained. With this diet, there is no prospect of leaving a food group for better weight control. It seems that the food industry and nutritionists in the United States have mistakenly made people believe in the effectiveness and benefits of diets high in carbohydrates and fats. According to all information, the low-carbohydrate diet should initially be emphasized as the right method for losing weight or for maintaining weight. The Navy Hospital in Oakland, California conducted a study in 1965. They set up a 1,000-calorie diet for the test subjects and a low-carb and high-fat diet. Another test group fasted at the same time. After a 10-day trial, people who used the low-carb diet lost more weight than those who fasted. A negative effect of the low-carbohydrate diet is that it reduces fiber consumption. This can lead to constipation unless fiber supplements are used in conjunction with a low-carbohydrate diet. It is advisable to eat natural foods like fruits and vegetables instead of processed foods like cereals and baked goods to get your daily dose of carbohydrates. These natural foods tend to provide better quality nutrients than processed foods. In the food industry, the negative effects on the manufacturers of carbohydrate-rich foods are slowly being felt. As more and more people switch from low-fat to low-carbohydrate diets, some food manufacturers like pasta factories and donut manufacturers are forced to find a balance in a market radically changed. On the other side of the fence, food manufacturers have been able to meet the demand of low-carb food professionals by making low-carb products such as soy as a substitute for wheat flour and artificial sweeteners as a substitute for sugar. The low-fat diet has served its purpose. Only time will tell how posterity represents your success or failure. At the moment, the low-fat diet is about to be called a mistake. No wonder the low-carb diet is advertised as the right way to lose weight or maintain weight. The main benefit of this diet is fat. Here too, fat gives the food taste. A low-carbohydrate diet ensures that your food tastes as it should, instead of relying on artificial flavor or too much spice for your food to taste.